Now, how do once you have identified that yes, there is an opportunity, there is a this is the something that I really want to pursue, what to do the next? So the next is we have to write a business plan, right? So the business plan writing is traditionally is used to be a linear model. So linear model means you have to have a marketing, you have to have an idea, then you have to think about the marketing of it, how you are going to market this, what are the customers, and then find out what are the solutions, and then you will be thinking of, okay, how do I execute this idea? So once you have done the marketing part, identified who's your customer, what is your solution, the competition, the industry, and then you will go into the ops, and then you will go into the development plan, and then you will go into the other appendix like the financial plan or the fundraising plan or the other kind of recruitment plan, HR, and other kind of things, right? So there has to be, there was a, this is a traditionally it's a linear model that we follow, but that's not the end of business plan. Nowadays, what we follow is an iterative model of writing the business plan. So iterative model of writing the business plan means that we are not completing the first part and then going to the second part. It's a iterative process, means we are going back and forth and adjusting the plans of the previous steps while we are doing the next step. So, for example, the business plan will have a marketing concept, will have a operations concept, will have a development concept, and will have the financials, and all of them are working together as a iterative. So when you are working on marketing, once you have finished the marketing, then you are going back to the operations. Maybe you have find something that thinks that, oh, the marketing can be done better, so you will go back into the marketing schedule and change it, update it, right? And then the development will affect the marketing and the operation, and then finally all the three will have an impact on the financials. So when you are writing the financials, it's not that whatever you have, marketing, development, and operations, the financials will be end of the story. Once you are writing the financials, you may see maybe there's no financial feasibility, or there is no enough profit, so you will go back into the marketing, you will go back into the operations, you will go back into the development plan and fix it, adjust it, reiterate it. So until and unless you find a business a model which is working for you, and you will not be stopping iterating and innovating your business plan. So that's the process of writing the business plan. So it's not a linear process where you are finishing up one section and then going on to the another. You are making it comprehensive. So it's not that you are developing one first and then the second. You are working on all of it as a similar way at the same time, so that you are and each of the segment is affecting the other segment as well. Now the once we know understand, okay, this is how we are going to write the business plan. So what are the components of business plan that we are going to write? Now the uh, elements of the business plan is pretty standard. All of the many of the business plan classes you will find anywhere else are going to give you the same set. So the business plan usually will have an executive summary, which is maybe 1 or 2 pages, highlighting who is the management, what are the problems that you are trying to solve, what are the solutions you are trying, how you are competitive and unique, and what are the key financial metrics that you will be able to achieve. So that's the executive summary. Then you will have more detailed of everything else, which is the company overview, the market and industry analysis, the marketing plan, the operations plan, the management plan, then the financial summary, and then the offerings, means what are you offering, and what does it that you want, and then you will have the appendix of P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, monthly cash flow for next 1 year, and any other supporting documents or references that you might have used in the business plan. So you might be saying, okay, it's a standard thing that we have to write. So how do we start? Where do we start writing the business plan?